Okay, so welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be reviewing the SoundCore Motion Boom, which just came out today, and I ordered that so I can make this video for you guys. Actually, there should already be a unboxing up. If not, then there will be any minute now, so don't worry about that. I'm sure you're massively excited. So this is the speaker in question. It costs £69, I think, from the UK. So yeah, it's a lot smaller than I expected, and it's also very light, which is good, but also it feels kind of cheap. So it depends how you see that, I suppose. It's made of very cheap plastic, but as I was saying earlier, I feel like this speaker's been made purely with sound in mind and not so much the design. Like, it's quite boring and it's just very, very cheap plastic everywhere, and it's very light, and this bit doesn't really, you know, but it does sound quite impressive for the price point. So it's got these little bass radiators on either side here, little subs which boom in and out, which is quite nice. It's got this, it is Ipx7 Waterproof, and it's got 24 hours of battery play time apparently. So you've got this little waterproof hatch here, so it's got USB-C charging, and then that USB is for like updates and whatnot from your phone. I'm not sure if you'd ever really do that very much, but yeah. So on the top here we've got a little bass button. We've got a Bluetooth button, the volume up and down, the play and pause and whatnot, accept calls. This pairs with another speaker, and this is obviously the on button. So then it should connect straight away to your phone. So, yep. Okay, so this is NCS Diamond Eyes Everything here. I'll try and show you a bit of the subs as well as it plays, and hopefully you get a feel for how it sounds. This is half the volume. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stay, 'cause the flames won't burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold you high while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Okay, so I'm not sure, obviously it's always a bit odd with filming. I'm not sure how that comes out for you, but believe me, this is with the bass button on as well. Believe me, for 60 quid, you won't find much better sound than that. And I think if that's your main priority, which it probably should be with a speaker, that is very good for that, and I definitely recommend it. It's also very light, so it's nice and portable. You know, you won't be getting much compliments on the design, don't get me wrong, but I mean, it's nice and cheap, and the sound's quite good. So if you have any questions or anything, leave them in the comments and I'll answer those for you. Yeah, so I'm going to be doing a sound test against that and the Z407 Logitech speakers behind my desk right now. So that'll be another video, so catch me there if you want to see that.